Swim with turtles and meet the elusive Zanzibar red colobus monkeys, an experience you can only find on this island. Start your journey at Jozani Forest, Zanzibar's only national park. This enchanting forest offers a rare glimpse into the island's tropical ecosystem, featuring dense woods, swampy areas, and open grasslands. The forest is famous for its population of the endangered Zanzibar red colobus monkeys, a species found nowhere else in the world. Watch these fascinating creatures as they play and exist in their natural habitat. Next, visit the Turtle Sanctuary, dedicated to the protection and rehabilitation of sea turtles. Swim and feed these turtles, learn their life cycles, and the challenges they face from human activities and environmental changes. Your visit not only offers a chance to experience Zanzibar's natural beauty, but also supports essential conservation efforts. Join us to make a difference and create lasting memories. Discover the wonders of Jozani Forest and the Turtle Sanctuary. Make sure it is a part of your itinerary today.